Hello everyone and welcome back to a new video. In this video, I'm going to show you guys how you can edit a site on Wix. So if you guys want to learn how to do it, just follow the steps that I'm going to show you. As you can see guys, I'm right now on Wix.com and this is how the homepage looks like. So right here, as you can see guys in the top, you're going to find two options: create a new folder and create a new site. And then right here, as you can see guys, you're going to find all of your sites. Here you're going to find your sites. And then if you want to edit any site, just hover your mouse over it. And then here you're going to find the option to select and edit the site. So go ahead and click on this option. And then this will take you to your dashboard. So just wait for your dashboard to load. And then you're going to be right here. So once you're in your dashboard, go to the left and then right here, as you can see guys, you're going to find all of the sections: setup, home, getting paid, sales, and so on. And then here in the bottom, you're going to find the option to edit your site. So go ahead and click on edit site. And then once you click on edit site, just wait for this new page to load. And then once the page has loaded, you're going to be right here. So basically guys, this is the editor for Wix websites. So basically guys, right here in the left, you're going to find all of the tools that you will need in order to customize your site. For example, if you click on add element, you're going to find a lot of options right here. You can add a text, add an image, button, strip, decorative box, and so on. And then here, as you can see guys, you're going to find, for example, the option to add a new section. You can add a header and so on. Here, you're going to find pages in menu, site design. You can add apps, my business, media, CMS, and lastly, marketing and SEO. So once you finish customizing your site, all you need to do, guys, is click on save, or you can publish your site to go live. So this is it, guys, for today's video. Thank you guys for watching. See you guys in the next video.